JD 26 here to just do the tips and repairs. And here we have the Strange Changed Vampire, and he's all done. He's all painted. And you close it to the top like this, and he changes like that. I put a little felt pad. Everybody recommends to put a little felt pad on there. And I have to work on the lock a little bit because it catches on here, right here. But when you make this model, make sure your feet are exactly at the bottom and glued in so they don't touch the sides, because if they're cocked anyway, they'll hang up on the sides. Also, use a paper clip on this model. Don't use the wire they give you. Follow the instructions in the last video I made, and it'll help you, out big time. So let's see, let's go again. And he changes, see? So I'm really pleased with this, and I've got the mummy I'm going to do next, so you'll be seeing that sometime soon. And I'm thanking you for watching. Have a great day. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And see my cooking channel as well. Bye for now.